Here's all you'll need for my pea and lettuce soup. Funnily enough, some peas, some lettuce. I'm using little gem lettuce. Nice sweet lettuce, green pepper, onion. Optional extra is a green chilli pepper. I like my soups with a bit of kick. A couple of stalks of celery. As much or as little garlic as you'd like. Either some veggie or chicken stock. Into a pan, heat some oil, and then you're going in with your chopped peppers, onions and celery. Make sure you wash them first. Oh, swirl them around so they all get covered in oil, and then you're going to fry them for about 5 minutes till they soften down. Pop the lid on so that they steam as well as fry. Veg have had a few minutes steaming and frying, softening down. It's time to go in with 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, some salt and pepper seasoning, give them a quick stir around. And then you're going in with a litre of your stock. This soup is quite thin if you just leave it like that with the lettuce added. You can also add 3 or 4 spoonfuls of rice just to thicken it up when you blend it. When your veg have had the 20 minutes, it's time to go in with your chopped up lettuce. On top of that, your peas. That fills your pan out a bit more, but don't worry, all the lettuce will wilt down. Then you're going to give that another at least 10 minutes, if not longer. When your lettuce and peas have had another 20 minutes or more, turn the heat off, and then just add a bit more water because you'll have lost a lot in the steam. And then just let that cool down because you're going to be putting it into a blender. When everything's cooled down just a little bit, it's time to get it into your blender. If your blender's not big enough to have it all at once, then you just put it in batches and blitz away. Once you've blitzed your soup, it's back into the pan, and enjoy your yummy, healthy concoction.